Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform various different activities and the reaction which are related to our chemistry syllabus. Like in our lab manual, we have a experiment number 2 in which we have to perform combination, decomposition, precipitation, and other type of reaction. But before going to start those reactions, let us discuss about the burning of the magnesium ribbon. Okay. So if we do not rub a magnesium ribbon with a sandpaper, अगर हम उसको sandpaper से rub नहीं करते हैं, then it will burn with the dazzling flame, and you can easily see here. Within a few seconds, it will burn with the dazzling flame, and it is very dangerous to see it with our direct eyes. अगर हम इसको अपने direct eyes से देखते हैं, तो it will be dangerous. Now magnesium is burned with the oxygen and magnesium oxide powder are formed, which can be seen clearly just after burning of this magnesium ribbon. So this is our first reaction. So this is magnesium oxide. Now we are performing another activity. As we all know that the chemicals are not a cakewalk for everyone. So now we are performing another activity like whenever a potassium iodide, as we already written on the board, like we have a lead nitrate solution and potassium iodide solution. So in the aqueous solution of lead nitrate and potassium iodide solution, when they both are mixed together, then the precipitate of lead iodide will be there, which are of the yellow color. Like our student done few chemical reactions here. One is a mixture of potassium iodide and another one is a mixture of lead nitrate. The moment we mix together, we see a yellow color precipitate here, but here the solution is quite more. That's why lead precipitates are quite lighter. So these are the yellow color of lead precipitates. We can see here the yellow color are shown for what precipitate? कौन से precipitate भाई ये? Lead iodide. कौन से है? Lead iodide. These are of the lead iodide. So these are the two activities which we are performed, and we have another reaction like we all familiar with it, that is displacement reaction. So what is displacement reaction? We have a simple example. Whenever we are taking a copper sulfate solution which is blue in color, the moment we are added some iron nails in it, okay, the moment we are added iron nails in it, this blue color of copper sulfate solution which changes into green color of ferrous sulfate solution. So copper sulfate, it is also known as copper sulfate pentahydrate, and whenever the water is added in it, it will become the aqueous solution of copper sulfate. So these are the few reactions which we are discussed today, and we have one more reaction which is a clear example of exothermic reaction. So we take, as it is described in our laboratory, whenever we are added some water into which solution? Sodium carbonate. We take a sodium carbonate powder and we added the HCl in it. The heat will liberate it out and we can easily see. So this is our sodium carbonate. Now we are add some HCl in it, that is concentrated HCl, and we see a reaction in it. जब तक एक्सपेरिमेंट फेल नहीं हो तो मजा कैसे? इट मींस हमने इसमें सोडियम कार्बोनेट बंद करने के। So students, we take ammonium hydroxide, sorry, sodium hydroxide. सारे केमिकल भूल जाओ, सोडियम कार्बोनेट डाला इसके अंदर। क्या डाला हमने? सोडियम कार्बोनेट। बस देखते रहा करो, कभी दिमाग मत लगाओ अपना। So in this sodium carbonate, the moment we added HCl in it, दूर हो जाओ भाई। The moment we added HCl in it, few fumes are liberated. It means some reaction is going to take place, and this is quite exothermic reaction. ये कैसी reaction हमारी? Exothermic reaction take place.